Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will learning about the place values of decimal number. But as usual we need to know what a decimal number is. As, they are used to describe values that are not whole, and are in between whole numbers. While whole numbers infinitely go on to the left, decimal number infinitely go on to the right. But to know where to start, we need a reference point that we call the decimal point. The whole number always start from the left side of the point, while the decimals always start from the right side of the point. Let's begin with our first example, 0.3. Due to the number 3 being is in the tens place, it is like 3 parts out of 10 and its value is 3/10. An example of this would be, if I had 10 slices of pizza and took 3. I would have 3 slices of pizza out of the 10. Our next number will be in the hundreds place, and that number is 8. Its value is 8/100 because it is in the hundredths place. I think you guys have now realized that the place of the decimal number determines the value of its denominator. Now an example for the hundredths place would be 100 squares with 8 of them being shaded. Therefore, I have shaded 8 squares out of 100. Next we have the number 4 in the thousandths place. It can also be written as 4/1000. An example on this number would be, if I took an apple and cut it into 1000 pieces and took 4, I would have 4 out of 1000 apple slices. Time for our final place value of this video, in the 10,000ths place. This decimal place can be written as 1/10,000. An example of this would be, if there were 10,000 ants, and I picked up one of them, I would have 1 out of 10,000 ants. Now let's summarize our lesson. We know that whole numbers go on infinitely to the left of the decimal point, starting with the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and so on to infinity. While decimal numbers always go on infinitely to the right of the decimal point, starting with the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and so on to infinity. It is now time for our ending question. Pause the video and answer the questions. 1. Write the number in the thousandths place. The answer is 2. 2. Write the number in the tens place. The answer is 0. 3. Write the number in the hundredths place. The answer is 8. 4. Write the number in the ones place. The answer is 3. 5. Write the number in the tenths place. The answer is 4. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.